All right, boys, welcome to a new video. I'm actually talking on this one. Uh, the Dakota's on hold right now. It's like over there. It's right there, all painted, ready to go. Um, I'm just waiting on a rear bumper. It's like New Year's, so there's like no one's open. I'm having a hard time finding a bumper. But for right now, I'm just gonna be working on this Silverado right here. As you can see, she is very rusty, but she's a diesel. Super happy for that. Today I'm gonna work on the rear end. I'm gonna take the rear bumper off because I'm gonna buy a new one, and I'm gonna take the bed off because I'm gonna get a new bed too because the rails underneath are really bad. Obviously the outside metal is really bad and it's just super squishy. So I'll get to work on that. I'll show you here in a second. All right, so here's kind of a walk around. You can see just how rusty it is. Here, let's see if I can get it. Like, here, it's hard moving this gimbal. Yeah, it's she's not solid, and oops, sorry about that. I don't know how to use this gimbal moving around, but here's the inside. It's not too bad. Oops, oh my gosh, this is gonna look so bad. Interior's not bad. It has that trailer brake. I still need to learn how to use that. Here's the inside, the gauge cluster. It's got 221,000 miles. I'm not gonna turn on right now. It's not cold on, or it's not cold out right now. But I kind of just don't want to turn it on right now. Need a door handle. I think I'm gonna repaint these doors too. Because it is pretty bad. Just gonna show you the bed for right now before I take it off. It's got a fifth wheel. Yeah, this is really why I'm replacing that. It's just, that is not good. They gave me a new hitch though, the old owners. So that's good. Yeah, I'll get back with you after I take this off. All right, boys, here's the box. It's super bad. Yeah, definitely need a new box. This one was not even good. Two of the mounts weren't even holding the bed anymore. See? Yeah, it's real bad. You see, that's the frame right there. It's pretty chewed up. The rest seems good. Obviously, it's not the best, but I'm gonna be cleaning it up. If anything needs reinforcement, I'll weld the panel in. I'm gonna see if I can get this rear cross member, because hopefully I can just replace the whole thing. Because oh, oops, sorry guys. Because it's pretty chewed up back here too, and the spare wheel mechanism right there doesn't work either. So I gotta either replace that too or just have no spare tire. Oh, and oops, jeez. Oh, wait, let me go from the top. You see that shock? Yeah, that it's not supposed to look like that, so it's gonna need new shocks too. Well, right now, geez, I keep moving this camera. Right now, I'm gonna be working on the box, right there. I'm gonna be cutting that up so we can junk it. Oh yeah, right there, there's my brother's Camaro. We got this for free. It seems like a Southern vehicle because there's no rust other than obviously the paint fade and the rust up there, you know, but no like salt rust. That's just from the sun fading it. It's got a 305 in it. It's a manual. It's pretty neat. Here, I'll show you the inside. The door's hard to open. Yeah, my uncle took out the lock cylinder because there's no key, so we gotta get a new one. But it has that anti-theft system in it, so I have to find the resistance in one of the wires over there to figure out what key we need, because there's like 15 variants for resistors and stuff, and the dealer can't give it to you, so you have to kind of figure it out on your own. But we'll see.